So I saw you had it relisted for 500. You cool with that? I'm so geeked about this because I had a Civic when I was in high school. The year was 2004 when the Pistons didn't suck. Britney Spears didn't look like she belonged in a dive bar back then. And this fucking guy was in office. If you didn't know, now you know. I got a lot of grief in Michigan for driving a Civic, man. It's not like today. Even driving a foreign car in general was like a complete no-go back then. Those parents and shit would talk crap to me all the time. So stupid. The reason why I was doing this project is because it's kind of like, you know, it's nostalgic for me. This one seems like it's got pretty solid bones. I think it's got a 96 hood on it. It's already got, you know, the 2000 bumper and stuff because it's 2000. Get the car first, make sure the car is, you know, worth it. I'm gonna go underneath of it and everything else and make sure that there's no rust where it's not gonna be salvageable. I would much rather have a 92 through 95. I love that body style, and that's the one that I had. But I just, you know, I miss having a Civic. It was a fun little car. But the body panels and everything else are so cheap for this car. This thing's got some fucking fiberglass fenders that have them big ass scoops on the side. It's ricey. It is so ricey, just sprinkling that shit on that car. Those gotta go. Yeah, everything I need to paint the car so I can paint it all at the same time. It's like 285 bucks. One of my tires for my Raptor is like $500, 550 bucks. So this is for $1,000 have every body panel I need. That's insane. That's crazy. The interior looks really good from the pictures. I know that pictures don't do justice when it comes to looking at cars. I plan on turboing this car. I might K-swap it. I don't know, but K-swaps are real expensive. I'm gonna try to make this as budget friendly as possible. Make it realistic for everybody else too. Even if it fucking took $10,000 to do the entire car. Like, it essentially would be like almost a brand new car. And that is so cheap when you're talking about redoing like any type of JDM car. Might not be able to tell from this, but I can tell that this has been worked. First off, you can tell because, well, it's a little bit off in color. If you look, you see that? She's wavy. That door's gotta go. As you can see, it's relatively clean. There's no rust at all inside of the door jambs, which is awesome. Overall, it's a pretty solid car. Except for right there. Son of a bitch. But that is something I can fix. I'm pretty sure this shit is from jacking the car up in the wrong spot. But man, it's pretty nice under here for the most part. But some of my main points on this car are the strut towers and the battery support, which are not rusty. Oh, I missed that annoying beep. As weird as that sounds. As you can see, the interior isn't terrible. 191. It's missing sun visors. Aw, damn it, I didn't realize the windshield had a crack. That sucks. I'll add that to the list. Looks like I'm gonna need some mirror cover pieces. A radio, that's obvious. But other than that, I mean, it looks to be relatively intact. Well, and a dome light cover piece, whatever. It's not a big deal. Apparently there's a hole in the block. I didn't know that until after I showed up there. But let's see if we can get it started. Oh, battery's dead. Never mind. Well, as you can see, it's not that bad of a car, right? It's definitely usable. Definitely needs a new engine. Not a bad deal for 500 bucks, I don't think. It's got some good bones. The interior is pretty nice. Like that was my main concern, because I plan on upgrading the engine anyways. I plan on upgrading the outside. So it doesn't really matter. That's where I'm getting my deals from. That's how I'm making this so budget friendly for myself. Is because, you know, I don't have a ton of money. So I have to figure out ways to do this without going completely broke. We can do a lot with this car. I mean, the possibilities are endless with Civics. Strut towers are great. They're not all rusted out. A lot of them are just toast. Those fenders are pretty comical though, man. I'm gonna try and upload every Wednesday from now on. Every single Wednesday is my goal. So if I'm uploading tonight's Saturday, I'm sure I'll be uploading on Wednesday this week. I'm gonna get a double take. It's probably not gonna be the Civic that I upload. I got another project. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 projects. 4. Stay tuned on Wednesday. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bam.